the kids were adjusting and waxing their sleds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
Sugar Plum Fairies.
You guys are just a big bunch of roots.
Hey, kid, I'd be real careful while I talk to 7-foot-tall, very ripe pieces of purple produce.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. Where were my manners? I must have lost my head.
Hey, can it, kid? You're bruising the fruit.
Come on. Next week, you guys will just be 4 big, fat, dried-up old prudes.
I love kids. Let's make plum pudding out of them.
Oh, yeah.
Kids shouldn't make fun of full-figured fruit. Besides, it's not our fault we're this size. You've heard of genetic engineering? Well, we're the product of pathetic engineering. And here's what we're going to do about it.
Eat, drink, and be merry, for tomorrow we die. I'm proud, oh so proud, and I'll shout it out loud, 'cause I'm starting my diet tomorrow. I'll be trim and I'll be fit. Tonight's my last banana split. I'm proud, oh so proud, and I'll shout it out loud, 'cause I'm starting my diet soon. I won't say I'm heavy, I'm not one to grouse, but when I sit around the house. Ladle the cream, I'm fulfilling my dream. I'm starting my diet tomorrow, and for all I know, I may never eat again. Let us can sustain you. Skip that garlic bread. Never mind the roast beef, just turn over a new leaf. It's time you got ahead. But I'm proud, oh so proud, and I'll shout it out loud, 'cause I'm starting my diet. Any day now, eat my dust, I'm on a roll, no bother, gonna practice birth control. I'm proud, oh so proud, and I'll shout it out loud, 'cause I'm starting my diet. Right after the holidays, I'm determined I won't be denied. I'm literally bursting at the seams with pride. I'll do what it takes, it's no piece of cake. Gonna start my diet tomorrow, I'll diet tomorrow. You're always a meal away, one endless meal away.
So Ma got the aunties, I